What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me again on Be the Trader. Today, I just kind of want to give you an update on how I've been trading because, the last time I released an episode by myself, it was whenever I was taking a break for a week. Now, I've never been someone who's volunteered to take time off of trading, especially when I had time to trade. Now, I have had times where I had to work and I didn't trade for a week or vacation or something like that, but never voluntarily. And that was a challenge for me, but I think it was very, very helpful. The reason why I think it was helpful is helped me kind of battle FOMO, kind of battle the fogginess of pushing for money and so forth. Because I was so wrapped up in trying to make money, I was so wrapped up on chasing that I didn't want to miss opportunities, that taking that break, even though I could trade, I didn't even look at stocks, I didn't even look at reviews, videos, I just completely took it off. And I could if I wanted to, but I did not do it. And the thought of that, when I first thought of it, was very hard. But then after the first day, it was okay, I can do this. Second day, felt better. And after the third day, it was fine. And I was really doing this until I felt a clear-headedness, where I wasn't looking forward to trade to make money, but more so of I'm ready to trade. And when I told myself I was ready to trade, it wasn't like, oh, okay, I got to make this money back. And so that's the whole reason why I did this. Now, it really helped me because now I came back, had a badass week, and then I ended up, and I think that was a week ago. Oh no, had a badass week, then actually a good week, and then this brand new week. It's the 9th of March, and I'm doing well already. I have the best Monday I've had, I think, ever, or one of the top two at least. And this is during the coronavirus. It's sector craze, sector mania, everything's going wild, everything's going up and down, overall market shit. But it's crazy because I usually do horrible during these times. During these extreme volatility times have been the worst times for me back in the day, and now it's not. And I definitely contribute this to my experience now, right? But also because of that break. And that break really helped me get more clear on trading what I like to trade. And taking that break really forced me on having to battle FOMO, because it showed me that, hey, I can miss a week and come back and trade. There's always another opportunity. And so even the day I came back, I didn't even trade on that Monday coming back because there was no opportunity and I wasn't stressed about it. So it really helped me with that because I have found my consistency. I'm a consistently profitable trader with my setups. It's just, if you've been following me, sometimes I'll branch out of my lane. And so my goal now moving forward, I'm getting over a sickness, is to continue this process, continue to stay in my lane and grow. And that's all I've been doing. And I'm hoping I can continue this, and I'm hoping that me sharing this with you helps you. Maybe you're dealing with something similar. But if you have that battle, or if you come to the market and you're thinking, what can I make today? Or how can I make up what I lost? Or how can I get to XYZ in profits? Or what is there to trade? And you're constantly searching, but with that anxiety that there might not be anything, and then you try to force something, just take a break. Try it, see what happens. And if you do take that break, let me know what you think. Let me know how it helps you. If you have taken breaks, let me know how it went. If you follow a lot of traders who you see as successful, I follow Tim Grittani, multiple traders. I just name dropped him because I actually really respect him, and he takes breaks. Multiple traders take breaks to get their head clear. And so why not me? So I took that break and it helped me. And I'm super excited. And I am very excited because I have a lot of things coming in the pipeline, a lot of great interviews that I can't wait to share with you all. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching. If you're on YouTube, or if you're listening on the podcast, thank you for the ratings and reviews, for subscribing. If you haven't, if you can, take a second, subscribe or give me a rating and review. I really appreciate that. Share this with your friends. It helps me a ton and it inspires me to continue this. So I want to say thank you again for everything. And don't forget to go to my website, bethestory.net, and subscribe to the newsletter to get updates on future content. But also, March 15th is a drawing for a lucky winner to come on the show with me. And I've done this before with Noah Meyer. Go look at that episode. So definitely stay tuned. Thank you so much. And I hope you're having a great trading week, month, whenever you're listening to this. And if you are struggling, just try to take a break. Thanks.